Set model to show this question. So first we're going to use line model to show 3/4 minus 1/3. So if we're doing line model, for all three models, we first need to draw the original set, right? So we're going to go ahead and draw the questions, which we have 3/4 minus 1/3. Because it's a line model, we're going to draw the line, right? And I told you, please try your best to draw between 0 and 1 about the same length. 0 to 1, about the same length. On the top fractions, I'm going to need to cut it into how many equal parts? 4 equal parts basing on the denominator, right? So we're going to have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, because this is a continuous model, right? And then we need between 0 to 3 out of 4 equal parts with the first arrow. Alright, the second fraction, we're going to need to cut it into how many equal parts? 3 equal parts, very good. So 1, 2, 3. So your 1/3 should be bigger than your 1/4, okay? 1/3, 2/3. I only need 0 to 1/3, 1 out of 3 equal parts with the arrow. And the second step, I told you to draw the exact same thing, right? So draw the exact same thing. Try your very best to make 0 to 1 about the same length. That's all you have so far. 0 to 1, 0 to 1, because we're repeating the picture, so we're going to cut the top one with quarter. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and the bottom one, I didn't do a very good job here. It's going to be 1/3. And do the exact same length, 3/4 and 1/3. So far we okay? Just to draw the exact same thing. And then I need the equivalent fractions, right? How do I do that? It's going to be a problem if you don't write them up. It's going to be a mess. How do I make them have the same cut now? For each 4, I need to cut them into how many equal parts? 3, basing on the other fractions, right? For each 1/3, I'm going to need to cut them into 4 equal parts. So for each 1/3 here, each 4th here, we cut them into 3 equal parts. So it will get a little bit messy. So if I cut that, what is the total marking I have here now? Totally we have 9 out of 12. Okay, so this is 9, 12. 3, 3, 3. Okay, 9 out of 12 is the same as 3/4. Subtracting each 1/3, I'm going to cut them into how many equal parts? 4. So now, totally, how many marking? Oh, you mean 4 out of 12 equal parts. So those are your equivalent fractions. 3/4 is the same as 9/12. 1/3 is the same as 4/12. So next we're going to need to draw the answer, right? Because they already traded the equal parts. So my answer, again, the 0 to 1 should be about the same length, right? 0 to 1. And then I should cut that into how many equal parts? 12. So I'm going to cut it into 4 first, and then From there, 3 equal parts each, right? So some students will make like this, it's kind of short, and then when they need to cut 12, they make it super long. That's not okay. Your whole 0 to 1 should be about the same size for each one of them. So now I have 12. From the top one, I need to go from 0 to 9, right? Like here, 0 to 9. This is 9, 12. And then I need to go back because this is subtraction, right? Go back how many units? 4 units. So here, this is subtracting 4, 12. So this together, now I should be at what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12. And I'm going to circle my answer here. So again, make sure all the length between 0 to 1 is about the same. And you cut the equal part basing on the other fractions. Okay, 0 to 1 should be about the same length. Any question for this one?